Wave, guys!
These valves must seat, which means that they must meet. So no fumes go through, so we keep the earth in the proper place. We don't want this to run at a low number, because a low number means we're putting pollutants into the atmosphere. We want to eliminate that. We want to make it to where you can breathe the air that comes back out of this machine. So this lip here must be clean, so we can catch the gasket. If you'd like to pull the other side, I can show you the gasket that it must meet. It must hit that gasket. Now, when that gasket, when it seals, this chamber has a little bit of oxygen and fumes left in it. This is what we call a purge valve. Both of these valves, front and back, will shut for 30 seconds. This valve will open and suck all the bad air back out of here and run it back into the incinerator, and then keep the cycle going on each valve. This is what they call a purge valve. So this is the exhaust. Here's the inlet. So we just want to make sure that they seat properly. As you see, that this is not crushed, it's not damaged. So this valve is seating very properly, but you can see the buildup that comes inside of these. So we have to clean them to make sure that this is clean. See how I got that clean? Let's look at the top one. Well, this was not cleaned yet. As you can see the buildup and the grime that gets on it. This is no good. So we clean it till like we did the backside, then they seat properly, we don't have a problem.
And what type of oxidizer is this? Is it a brand name?
I don't know the exact name. It's an RTO.
So this needs to be cleaned to pass inspections, which are required to keep everything in line.
Exactly.
Grab it, put it to the camera, and tell me what it is.
It's a piece of overspray that we call dinosaur skin. E+E Extreme. Do this!
All right.
We're taking the fumes from the facility.
Right.
The off spray, paint, solvents, the oil, any fumes that they produce, they all get drawn through the RTO.
So it's things like this that make the product this company makes possible.
Yes, without this, you can't have a manufacturing facility. That's all you're gonna get.